Keith, one of the things I've learned by working with professionals like yourself is one of the big problems that you have to tackle every day is keeping the bathrooms clean. The big problem that you face is most of the products on the market that work really well are very harsh. They're almost like a muriatic acid, which means if you get them on your skin, they burn your skin. If you get them on your clothes, they eat through your clothes. And on top of that, if you put it on the toilet bowl and let it sit too long, next thing you know, the toilet is pitted and looks bad. Or if you put it on the stainless steel, it turns black or gray and no longer looks as nice as it once did. We've come up with a great solution for that called Hurricane. Keith, do you have a dirty penny?
I sure do.
Great. Keith, that's a very dirty penny. What I'm going to do is show you how well Hurricane works on this penny. Now first I want you to notice how thick it is and how it actually clings to the penny. Now what I'm going to do, now of course if this were more of a muriatic acid or some of the other harsh chemicals that are on the market, I couldn't even put my hand, have this in my hand. It would burn my hand and I'd be running for the bathroom right now. But notice how quickly and easily it cleans that penny. Has it all shiny, bright and shining. The reason for that, Keith, is this is an acid, but instead of being more of a muriatic acid or a harsh acid, we're using a phosphoric acid, which is the same acid that you use in Coke and Pepsi. Now I'm going to show you how it applies to, say, some of your bathroom apparatus. Let's take this right here. Notice how dirty that is. I'm just going to put a little bit right there. And we're going to let that go to work for a minute. Now another thing that you're really going to like about the Hurricane, Keith, is this dries spot-free. So one of the big issues you run into when you're cleaning the bathroom is you have to clean everything up and then you have to wipe it all down and take that extra time to keep those spots from coming back. With the Hurricane, you don't have to do that. You can rinse and walk away, and when it dries, it's going to completely dry spot-free. Now let me show you, now that we've applied the Hurricane, you notice how green that was, right? Notice how easy all that stuff came off. What was once very dirty, now we've greatly reduced the amount of oxidation on that piece of apparatus. And it's going to be that easy for you and your guys as well.
Oh, okay.
How does that look to you?
Looks fine.
As the manufacturer, we normally package this 4 dozen to a case, 2 dozen to a half case. What would work better for you, a case or a half case?
I think I like half case.
That'll be great.